So Palo d'Arco is one of the most famous herbs that we use for cancer. We use the inner bark of the tree. The action is heroic because it really does dramatically move qi and blood. It's also what we call an alterative. In Western herbalism, we use this generic term called alterative, which just means that it alters some function in the body. That's why I don't like to get stuck on these Western words, because sometimes it just means it alters something. So it's not really a specific meaning of anything. It's also antifungal. It's hypotensive, which means it lowers blood pressure. It's a bitter tonic. So a tonic meaning that it will tonify the body, but it's also super bitter, so we know it's going to clear heat. It's antibacterial and it is anti-tumor. Systems, lymphatic and hepatic, so it works on the liver. Taste is bitter, the energy is cool because we want to clear heat. So we say cancer is typically a hot, toxic condition. So it's definitely going to have a cooling energy to get some of that heat out of the body. Really, the main use is to slow and inhibit tumor growth. We do use it for some skin diseases, but traditionally it was used by the Callaway tribe for pain associated with cancer. So really great at lessening the pain as well as shrinking the tumors. No real caution, although if you don't have a hot toxic skin condition or you don't have cancerous tumors, you don't need to use it. Some people are using it as a cancer preventative. I don't know if it's actually effective for that, but as long as you don't really have a cold constitution, taking this herb is not going to do any harm to you. People would take it in an infusion or a tincture. It is very bitter, so sometimes drinking a tea of it can be unpalatable to some people. You would use 6 to 12 grams in a tea if it's an acute situation. So you want to use higher dosage for a shorter period of time, and you might just drink, 1 cup 3 to 4 times a day. If this is a chronic condition, let's say you have had tumors in your body for years, but they're not actually changing at a fast rate where we're actually fighting the cancer, you could just take a half a cup 3 to 4 times a day. And if you're going to take a tincture, you want to take 2 to 3 mils 2 to 3 times a day.